Changing your phone number on LinkedIn is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account. Open your web browser or LinkedIn app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're on your profile page to access your account settings. Step 2. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Account Preferences. In the Settings and Privacy section, look for the Account Preferences tab. Click on it to find options related to your account information. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the Phone Numbers section. Here, you will see your current phone number. Click on Add Phone Number or the edit icon next to your existing number to make changes. Step 5. Verify your new phone number. After entering your new phone number, LinkedIn may require you to verify it. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code via SMS and enter it to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on LinkedIn. Regularly check your account settings to ensure your information remains current.